Welcome to all students. Yesterday we'll discuss about the knockout tournament and what is the formula of knockout tournament and how many buys and how many buys in given upper half and lower half and number of rounds and formulas of number of rounds and all formula related to knockout tournament and related to their upper half and lower divisions, buy divisions and their number of rounds. All things covered in yesterday classes. What today one situation we will be understand. Like one word means seeding. Seeding is different from the buy and from the why. Why and seeding very different terms. Now we will discuss about the knockout tournament and its seeding. In knockout tournament, first given by why. Why given in a first round to some strong team not compete in a first round. They privileged to compete in a second round. So given by why in knockout tournament. What seeding? Seeding given a one privilege of one advanced player and one advanced team to directly compete in a quarter final या semi final to avoid some losers team some big teams competition. So top athlete and top teams directly participates in on the qualifying quarter final and semi final to avoid the hassleness in first and second round. So they directly compete in quarter final and semi-finals. So, like Manika Batra directly compete in senior national championship, directly compete in a quarter final, or directly compete in a semi-final players, and then they will go to final. And here seeding is given to the top teams and top athletes to directly compete in quarter final and semi final in a fixtures. Now today we will discuss about how many teams and which place given in fixtures, knockout tournament fixtures, seeding team is putting a seeding teams. So first suppose that with example here 13 teams. And in 13 teams include with 4 seeding. 13 teams include with 4 seeding teams. First we run down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30. So 30 here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 team is here and number of matches is 13 teams. Number of matches formula n minus 1. So here given 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. What 13 teams in upper half teams total 13. So there are 7 teams. There are 7 teams in upper half and 6 teams in lower half. 7 teams in upper half and 6 teams in lower half. So here first seeded team, second seeded team, third seeded team and fourth seeded team. That is a seeding teams. So here 4 seeding teams, and now 4 seeding teams. When we calculate the y, so 4 seeding teams not included in for calculating the y. So here minus 13 minus 4 is equal to 19. So 19 used in a calculating the y. So upcoming power of 2, For finding the y to minus the upcoming power 16. 16 minus 9 is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to how much y? 7y. 7y. Send 7y put in our fixtures. Now in lower part, according to formula, lower part given a more y's and upper half given a less y's. First y given a downward y, then y. So 4 and 3 y's. So here compete, then here first round, then compete in a second round. They compete in a second round. Now seeding team directly participate in quarter final. So here also seeding team participate in quarter final. So all teams participate in quarterfinals. Then now move further. So they enter in a semi-finals. Then go final. Means winner. Means that is first round, second round, third round, fourth round. Here only 4 rounds. And number of matches 12. One in first round, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th. Number of matches competed between the all teams 12 matches. So here we have discussed the seeding team where compete and how to they move in the quarter final and semi-final to compared to other teams. So here seeding team plays in four places in our fixtures, and top and down of the upper and lower half. So here given a y and y given a proper sequence, and then compete each other. First round only 1 match, then second round 4 match, then third round means second round is here. Now third round is here. First round, then second round, third round, and fourth round and fifth round. And here fifth round. So in a seeding team compete in a quarter final. This area is called quarter final. Third round is also called quarter final. That is a quarter final because 4 quarters in 2 halves. 4 quarters in all 2 halves. 1 half, 2 half, 3 half and 4 halves. And fourth quarter semi-final called semi-final. Semi-final because here. So there is a semi-final. Only 2 match compete. That is semi-final. And then this fifth round is called final. So here 5 rounds with 12 match and seeding competed in directly quarter final. या फिर ये seeding directly in quarter final and there is a quarter final. So number of matches, number of buys and number of rounds and winner is also decided. If suppose that here directly participate in quarter final teams, if we can say that all the teams compete in a directly. Suppose that all two teams directly compete in a semi-final. So here 2 seeding teams. So here in match compete between directly participate in semi-final. So here compete directly between first and quarter final. Then here only one team, one seeding team. So here be only one seeding team. So they are semi-finals. So seeding team directly compete in a quarter finals. There is So here is the semi-final. Seeding team directly compete in a semi-final winners, and here also directly compete in a semi-final winners. Seeding team then directly go to winner. Then directly go to winner and directly to play finals. Then they decide the winner team. So here we can say that seeding teams compete in directly semi-final or quarter-final. So here before the example that quarter-final. So here directly team compete in a semi-final. So here their first round, then second round, then third round, and then that is a fourth round. That is a fourth round. So here please write down. Okay, here seeding team given by and they are directly compete in a semi-final. So from this tiles we can say that seeding team directly compete in a quarter-final or either semi-final. To avoid we can say that strong team not compete in a lower rounds. To loser teams we can say that weak teams. So therefore their privilege to advanced teams and to strong teams to privilege directly enter in a quarter-final and semi-final. So here we already told that suppose one example Manika Batra directly participated in semi-final and quarter-final. Rafael Nadal in Wimbledon match, Rafael Nadal and Novak Djokovic directly entered to the semi-final and quarter-final if national is conducted. So here Messi teams, suppose Messi teams is very good teams. We can say that Guru Nanak Dev University is very good teams. So if any local competition, so local teams is coming. But if Guru Nanak Dev teams is going there, so Guru Nanak Dev team directly enter in a quarter-final or semi-final. So that is the main advantage to give a strong teams to compete in directly quarter-final and semi-final, and for their advancement and for their privilege to advanced teams. So that is the advantage of seeding, and you don't confuse in a bye and seeding. Why only in the first round to remove the, we can say that फर्स्ट राउंड को नहीं कंप्लीट करने के लिए, तो सेकंड राउंड में शिफ्ट करने के लिए हम बाय देते हैं, बट सीडिंग डायरेक्टली प्रोवाइडेड फॉर द सेमीफाइनल एंड फाइनल के लिए. सो दैट इज द मेन डिफरेंस टू बाय एंड सीडिंग, एंड both given by the strong teams, but seeding given by the more strong teams, and by given by the some in first round में जो स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम रहेगी उनको दी जाती है, बट सीडिंग हमेशा पूरे टूर्नामेंट में जो स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम आएगी उसको दी जाएगी. दैट इज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन सीडिंग एंड बाय. डोंट कंफ्यूज द फर्स्ट राउंड एंड सेकंड राउंड. बाय गिवन ओनली फर्स्ट राउंड एंड सीडिंग गिवन टू द क्वार्टर फाइनल और सेमीफाइनल. दैट इज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ. सो प्लीज कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो हियर क्वेश्चन इज राइज. सपोज दैट multiple choice question is there. If team is 30, so how much by given there? And we can say that if team is 30 with include 4 seeding teams. So here question raised ki how much number of matches? How many number of matches is there? How many number of matches is there? So here only number of matches. Formula is the knockout tournament n minus 1. So 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. So here only 12. Here only 12 matches is here. So that is the only 4 seconds is confusing. But same formula that 13 teams and their normal teams apply. So here also same formula apply. So I hope you understand about the seeding example seeding in knockout tournaments, and that is clear your point. And now we will proceeding league tournament. Please write down. Now, here only two type league tournament. Two type league tournament. Two types league first, single league tournament. Third, now question is that what is a single league tournament? In single league tournament, every team in one time. But in double league tournament, every team compete in other teams in 2 times. Suppose that one team compete with 6, one team compete with 5, only one time. In the double league tournament, double means 2. In the double league tournament, suppose one team compete, one team fight to 6 in 2 times. So that is called double league tournament. In double league tournament and single league tournament, different formula to find out the number of matches. So here is formula number of matches. In a single league, number of matches. Number of matches formula in single league tournament, n minus 1 upon 2, because in single league tournament less number of matches than compared to double league tournament. In double league tournament formula n minus 1, not upon 2. So only here upon 2 and there is not upon 2. So that is the main difference of single league and double league, because in double league number of matches is more, so that's why not divided by 2, and there is number of matches compared to number of double league tournament is less, so that's why divided by 2. So here single league tournament and double league tournament formula of number of teams, number of matches. So here number of matches formula n minus 1, and here single league tournament number of matches n minus 1 upon 2. So that is the league 2 types and different formula. And in how to measure point system. How to measure point system in league tournament. Obviously, so there is not type in knockout tournament. So compete each other, and who lose the game, that this team out, and which team win the game, so they come. In their league tournament, every team compete. So obviously 3 conditions is applied. Only winning team, losing team, third condition, draw. Only 3 conditions, winning, losing and draw. And winning team, which marks given? 2 marks, 2 points. In losing team, 0. In draw, only 1 marks to each team. So that is the point system in league tournament. In league tournament, only 2 types point system running. First, British system. Second, American system. In British system, in points. So here formula is there. Percentage of point means percentage of point, total number of point, total. We can say that of 10 point. How much point? Of 10 point. Now down total point. And multiply by 100. So in British system, that is comes in a percentage. Suppose 75% and 10%. So that is percent system. And in American system, only matches. Here count only points, but only American system system, here count only matches, number of winning and losing matches. So matches won in upper, matches won and lower matches played. In American system. Second, American system. One match and down divide played match multiply by 100 in percentage. The answer coming in percentage form. Difference is only here use only point system, here use only number of matches. So there is difference only in British system and American system. But in most of the league system, in Commonwealth games, in Commonwealth countries, in only use British system in a point form. So in the American system, won matches, in Indian system and also British system obtained only points, and in American system only matches. So difference in point system in league tournaments and how. Suppose, let's example. Suppose ISL team, Royal Challenge team, Mumbai Indians won only 5 matches out of 8 matches. So here 100%. So 4, 5. Only 60%. Only 60%. In point system, suppose that Mumbai Indians only won 5 matches. So 1.2. If match the won, only 2.1. 5 into 2 is equal to 10 points. 10 points. And if lose the games, suppose 1 match lose. So only 1 and 1 match lose, how much marks? 0 marks. So there is no point. If 2 match draw and 2 match draw, and how much point given in 2 match? How much point given in 2 match? 2 match only 1 point. So there only 2 point given. 5 match and 2. Sorry. Only 1 match losing 0 point. If 2 match draw, only 2 point. So here total point 12 point. Here total point. So here voting point 12 point. Total points. How much total points? How much total points? Total points is 5 into 10 and 1 into. Suppose for total points. How much total points? Suppose is there only total points 20. Percentage only 60%. So on this types form only point system and work is this types form systems, and we have discussed what is league tournaments, merit and demerits, and point system, and now we will discuss fixture method. 2 type fixture method work here. One type only staircase. Second type cyclic method. In our course only 2 types methods. First staircase method, second cyclic methods. So the two style fixtures methods we will discuss in tomorrow only. Fixtures method. In tomorrow classes. And today we discuss about knockout fixtures. In knockout fixtures, seeded, how example with seeding teams, 4 seeding teams. And recently we discussed about the league tournament. In league, what is league tournament and what is the merits and demerits of league tournaments and point system in league tournament, and also fixture method of league tournament. Which type of fixture method in league tournaments, and which type is one the point system in league tournaments, like British system and American systems. And tomorrow we'll discuss two methods, staircase method and cycling methods. Have a good day. Thank you. All the best.